Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Prabhat Exam, your one-stop destination for competitive exams preparations. IAS is the most coveted job profile in India, and if you aspire for this profile, then you have come at the right place. Stay tuned with us till the end. Today, in this video, we'll be discussing all the questions relating to the topic who can become an IAS officer. Number 1. Who conducts the exam for IAS? UPSC or Union Public Service Commission is the body responsible for conducting the civil service examination. It is the apex body for the selection of candidates for the Group A services in the central government and Group B services in the union territories including Delhi and Puducherry. IAS falls under Group A category of services. The examination for selection is called Civil Services Examination or CSE. Number 2. What are the stages of examination? This exam is conducted by Union Public Service Commission. It is conducted in 3 stages: prelims, mains and interview. Prelims consist of 2 papers, paper 1 and paper 2. The cutoff is decided on the basis of marks in paper 1, whereas paper 2 is of qualifying nature. Number 3. What is the eligibility criteria for UPSC Civil Services? For UPSC Civil Services, candidates must be an Indian citizen. He or she must have completed his or her graduation in any subject from a government recognized university in the country. The candidate must be between the age group of 21 to 32 years. The age is calculated as on the date of notification. Also, upper age limit is relaxed as per the government rules for reserved categories. How many attempts are allowed? Depending upon the category one belongs to, the number of attempts varies accordingly. For general category candidates, 6 attempts are allowed till the age of 32. For OBC category candidates, 9 attempts are allowed till the age of 36, and for SC/ST category candidates, unlimited attempts are allowed till the age of 37. So friends, this will be it for today's video. For more such videos about UPSC preparations, stay tuned to our channel and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.